Hi, and welcome to the first episode of Industrial Edge for Machine Tools. My name is Björn, and for today I'm your Mr. Edge, and I will show you how to get ready for edge computing with Sinumerik. But first things first. You just need to plug in the factory LAN, the machine LAN, and the power supply, and then you can mount the device to the machine tools cabinet. Now that's done, and we will move on setting up the connection to MindSphere. It all starts with the onboarding. That's an easy, step-by-step, self-explanatory task and will take just a couple of minutes. Once your device is ready, you can choose the particular firmware you need to update. The process starts immediately and proceeds as normal. When the update process is successfully finished, the screen displays the latest firmware version number. I hope you enjoyed our first episode. Well, that's just a brief overview. There is a deep dive video for this and for all the other episodes available. Please see the link below. See you soon in our next video.